Star 2023 Algebra 1 by Professor Alfredo Alvarez Jr. Part 5, 121 through 140. Let's do this. Evaluate the function, exponential function. f of x equals 2, 1.3 to the x power f of 1. Alright, before we get started, oh yeah, you need some money right now. Thanksgiving, Christmas money. They're open right now, but great boss, great food, great work. Open 24 hours, they're hiring. Need some of these? Go out there and work. They'll be glad to give you some of this if you work there. Anyway, let's get rid of this guys right here. You don't need it anymore. So now, let's go here. So we have, how do you evaluate the exponential function, f of 1? So put a 1 there for the value of x. 1.3 to the 1 power is 1.3, and 1.3 times 2 is a 2.6. Okay? Please excuse my dear saying oral operations. Parentheses, exponent, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Or can you use a graphing calculator? Yes, let's do that. Let's do it that way, okay? Alright, this is a graphing calculator. Doesn't matter, whatever kind you have, just get one. So how do we do this? Let's see, we'll put 2 parentheses 1.3 close parentheses to the power of 1. Okay, does that look like the one we have? Yep. 2 times 1.3 to the power of 1. So now hit enter, and the calculator will give us 2.6. Yes, 2.6 again. Yes, you can use a graphing calculator if you want to, if that helps. Use a machine. I would say yes, you should use one, okay? If you got one, or get one. Anyway, let's continue. So, next question. Evaluate the function, exponential function again. 2 times 1.3 to the x. Put a 5 in there. 1.3 to the 5 means 1.3, 1.3, 1.3, 1.3, 5 times, which is going to give you 3.71293 in the calculator, times 2 is going to give you this. Or you can do it all at one time in the calculator. Either way. Alright, 200,000 times 1.10 to the x. Put a 0 in there. Any number to the 0, as long as it's not 0, any non-zero number to the 0 is going to be 1. So 1 times that, 200,000. 200,000. Evaluate the exponential function f of 1. So put a 1 in there. 1.10 to the 1 is 1.10. 1.10 times 200,000 is 220,000. Alright. Let's do f of 5. Well, 1.10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times on the calculator is going to give you this number. And 1.61051 times that number is going to give you 322,102. Okay? Or do it all in the calculator like this, all at one time. Whoa, evaluate the exponential function again. Power right there. So let's put in f of 1. So put a 1 in there for the x. Now do the parentheses stuff first. 0.24 by 12 is 0.02. Add this together. 0.021, just doesn't matter, it's just 1. 1.02, now multiplication, subtraction, let's multiply first. So 1,000 times 1.02 is 1,020. Take away 21 is 999. Like after you make your first payment on your credit card, $21, you still owe $999 and a $1,000 buy for Christmas or whatever. Evaluate the function, f of 2. Another exponential function, put a 2 in there. Do the inside first, parentheses. So this 12.24 by 12 is 0.02. 1.02 to the power of 2 is 1.02 times 1.02. This together right here is going to give you 1.0404 times the 1,000. Multiply first. So 1040.40 minus 42 and the calculator is going to give you 998.40. Evaluate the radical function f of x equals square root of x minus 1. Put the 5 in there. 5 minus 1 is 4. Yep, 5 minus 1 is going to be 4, so it's going to be square root of 4 is 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. Or you can do it in the calculator if you want to. Uh-oh, what's this? Negative 8, f of negative 8. So put negative 8, negative 8, negative 1, negative 9, square root of negative 9. Again, if you have a TI or whatever graphing calculator you have, you're going to get complex number because this is a negative. Square root of negative 1 is going to be I, square root of negative 4 is 2i, square root of 9 is 3i, so on, 25, 100. Well, since this is a negative, it's going to give you 3, but it's going to give you 3i for complex imaginary solutions. Okay, it's a non-real answer. this one. F of 4, put it in there. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Square root of 9 is exactly 3. No problem on that one, huh? How about this one? Evaluate the radical function f of 5. So put a 5 in there. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 and 2 is 12. 12. Let's break it down prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Does 2 divide 12? Yes, 6. Does 2 divide 6? Yes, 3. Does 3 divide 3? Yes, 1. So 12 is 2 times 2 times 3, or 12 is 4 times 3. See right here? So I'm going to replace this for the 12. So 4 times 3 is 12. Square root of 4, square root of 3. So now this one I can do. This is going to be 2 square root of 3. Final answer right there. So radical function f of 5 is equal to what? 2 square root of 3. Evaluate f of x equals square root of x. Okay. F of 20. Again, 20, I'm going to break it up. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on. 2 divides 20, 10. 2 divides 10, 5. 5 divides that, 1. 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. And that's going to be 4 times 5. Replace it. 20 is 4 times 5. Square root of 4, square root of 5. This one I can do is going to be 2 square root of 5. So the radical function f of x equals 2x. F of 20 is going to be what? 2 square root of 5. Evaluate the function. F of x is 4 over x minus 1. Put a negative 1 in there for the x, right there. So negative 1 is negative 2. 4 positive divided by negative is going to give you a negative 2. Or you can do it in the calculator like this with all the parentheses like that. Exactly like that, okay? Evaluate the rational function, okay? Some in the top, some in the bottom. F of 1, put a 1 in there. So you're going to get 4 over 1 minus 1. 4 over 0, it's undefined. Division by 0 is not possible. So it's undefined. How about this one? F of 8. Put an 8 in there. Put an 8 in there. So 8 minus 2, 8 minus 5. It's going to be 6 over 3. Positive by positive is going to be a positive 2. Yeah, it works. And again, put all these parentheses just like they are right here, okay? When you put it in your graphing calculator. Just like that. Evaluate the f of 2. Put a 2 in there. 2 there, 2 there. So on top you have 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 divided by 3. 0 divided by any number is not 0. It's still going to be 0. So that, again, you can do it in the graphing calculator like this. All the parentheses must be in there. 2, 2 there, and 2, 2 there, and 1 there. Okay. Evaluate the rational function again. Okay, f of 5. Put a 5 in there. So 5 minus 2, 5 minus 5. So you have 5 minus 2 on top. Numerator, so you have 3 over 0. Undefined. Division by 0 is not possible. So it's undefined. Find m. M is this formula here. M equals 2x plus 3y. I know that x is 2, y is 4. So I'm going to substitute in here. In this formula, put it into the x. Put it in for the y. So 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So add those together, and your graphing calculator is going to give you what? 16, or this way. Find m if m equals that. Again, I know the number, x and the y. Put them in there. X, put the y. So that turns out it's going to be 4,000. That turns out it's going to be 4,000. 4,000 and 4,000 is 8,000. So m equals what? 8,000. Another one. Find m. If m is this formula right here, you know x is negative 1, y is 2. Put them in there. So put the negative 1 there. Put the 2 in there. A negative times positive is a negative. Positive times positive is a positive. So you have negative 4 and 20. So 20 minus 4 is a positive 16. Or use your graphing calculator if you want. Okay. Well, that's it. Oh, it's a short one, isn't it? 121 through 40. Alright, so once you finish this Algebra 1 Part 5, now you know how to do it. It's not scary anymore. You know what? Go vacation. Where? Mustang Island, Padre Island, Galveston, whatever. Have fun on your surfboard and the little waves out there. Or if you got lots of cash, go to Hawaii, put our Hawaiian stuff on, get the big surfboards and the big waves, 40-foot waves out there. North Shore maybe. But it might break your board. It's alright, you can get a new board. New decals, take them off, put a new one. Alright, or Math Monster, no way. Math is fun now because I know how to do the Algebra 1 Part 5 Star 2023, no problem. Not a monster anymore. Math is fun. These guys, nah, they're not scarier than... Nope. No, they're not scary. Nope, they're not scary either. Not like the Algebra 1 was. Not anymore. How about this? Numbers? Nah, not scary either. 7, 7, nope. Whoa, Crunchy 1. Nah, Algebra 1 it was more scary, but not anymore. How about this, guys? Nope, nope, nope. Crunchy 2, Crunchy 3, nope, nope, not scary. Anyway, good luck, Professor Alfredo Galvez. I will talk to you later. Good luck in the Algebra 1 Star 2023. This is Professor Alfredo Galvez, and I say good luck again. Professor Alfredo Galvez, good luck. Bye.